Hey guys, so today I'm going to be planning my February bullet journal for 2021. I just got an iPad, so I actually switched over to a digital bullet journal. This is just so much easier for me personally because I have it right at my fingertips, and it's just so much easier and so much faster to design all my spreads and stuff because I can literally just copy and paste everything. But you still kind of get the creative aspect of a regular bullet journal, which I think is cool. So I actually am using this app called Goodnotes. It is available in the App Store on iOS devices. I don't think it's for Android devices or Windows devices yet, but yeah, it's like $7.99 I think. So I actually have my 2021 journal here. I actually designed this whole little spread myself. This wasn't something that came in the app, but they do have bullet journal templates in this app, which is cool. It just doesn't come in a spread that looks like an actual journal. It's just individual pages, kind of like a Word document. So there's that, but I wanted to kind of design and make it look like an actual cute journal, so that is just what I did. It takes a second to load some pages sometimes, but yeah, so I have my whole bullet journal in here like this. I don't know, I think this is really fun, and I kind of just recreated all my pages that I did in my last video, my temperature blanket and everything. Yeah, but I think it's a lot of fun. This is my January spread, and I'm gonna go ahead and create my February spread. So I just kind of wrote, takes a second, it always takes a second to load the new pages. Okay, so I just kind of threw February in there because I wanted to keep track of what page I was doing. But actually all these tabs on the side that I designed, they actually work, which is cool. If you guys want a video on how I made this whole template, let me know and I'll try to do that for you guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna get in and start creating my February spread. So I do want to make my title page first. So I think we're gonna go ahead and do my title page and then do a habit tracker over here. I actually do. And what's great about this too is you can literally just select things. And you can resize them and reposition them, so if you mess up, it's super great. And I think I'm gonna, obviously because Valentine's Day, I'm gonna go with kind of a pink theme. And then once I make my little habit tracker chart here, I can literally just select it and we can copy it. Alright, so I have my little title page and my lovely little habit tracker here. I already filled in some for today. Now I'm going to go ahead and make my February spending log. I did this last month as well. I want to make it a little bit different. I think I'm going to have a whole page for the actual spending log. That way I can actually enter all my spending in instead of just, I'll have a place for bills and then spending, and then I think I'll do another page where I actually have the log that I color in because I like seeing the visual of that. Just gonna get rid of this. It doesn't want to get rid of it. Okay. No, it's a sticker. Okay. Okay, so I just made my budget page here. I'm gonna have to fill that in later, and then I have a spending log here where I can actually write in like all the actual stuff that I spend to get more of an actual like numbers of how much I've spent on random stuff. And then I carried it over here because I spend too much money. And then I have my little spending log chart here where I'll color in the little squares to where I will color in the little squares so I can actually track my spending and kind of get a visual representation of what I spend. Now I'm going to go ahead and actually create my February calendar here. Just pop that up there, and then I have a preset calendar that I already made, and all I have to do is fill in the numbers. So yep, just pop this in here. And then I'm just going to make a little list here of goals I have for the month. So I definitely want to try to upload consistently on here for YouTube. We're working on it slowly. I know it's been like a month since I've talked to you guys, but we're trying. I also want to try and build my Instagram. I'm currently trying to post every few days on there and update regularly so I can kind of build and grow my business Instagram. I also want to try to write every day. I'm working on a book, so I want to kind of finish that. I'm working on revising it, so goal is to try to do that, but I think that's a good start for my monthly goals this month. I kind of have a lot going on in the next coming months, so it's going to be a little crazy. I'm getting married in April, so a lot going on with that, but I think that's good. I'm trying to think. I don't think I have anything going on this month that I know of. Everything kind of starts happening in March, but I think I'm good for this month. I don't think I have anything going on. Other than Saturday, I do have to take my new kitten to the vet. So, I don't know what time. I think it's 8 a.m. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and just jump right into my weeklies. So we're going to start the weeklies. I cut the weekend in half here. I started on Mondays just because I feel like I don't have as much going on the weekends typically. So I don't know, this is just what I do. So I actually have like weekday stickers that I made here. So I'm just going to drop those in here. I like a very kind of simplistic design for my week. That way it's a little bit more easy for me to write stuff in. I just like a lot of space to write things, and I don't like to do a ton of crazy stuff. So just a really simple, easy weekly spread for me is good. I'm actually going to go ahead and just duplicate that. Hold on. I duplicated too many of these pages, so. Okay, so all I need to do is just click on this, and I can duplicate it 1, 2, 3. Okay, because there's 4 weeks in February, so now I just have it duplicated. So I love that. I love that about the digital planning, is that you can just duplicate the weekly spreads, and I don't have to sit here and draw like all the weekly spreads. I mean, I know some people kind of find that therapeutic, but like I just want to get to planning, and I don't want to have to spend so much time creating my planner each month. I don't know. I just think it's a lot easier this way. And then I'm just going to go ahead and date these. takes forever to load sometimes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys my February spread. So here is just my title page with my habit tracker. Then we go into my budgeting and spending log. Have the spending log and the spending tracker chart here. Then we move into my overall calendar for February as well as my goals, and then we just have my weekly spreads where I can kind of write everything out that I want to do for the month and plan. But yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's a little bit different than my usual bullet journals, but I've been really getting into this digital planning, and honestly, I'm sure there's similar apps out there for other devices if you guys want to get into digital planning as well. You don't need an iPad by any means. There's much more inexpensive tablets you can get there, and you can get generic styluses and all that kind of stuff. But if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on how I created this digital bullet journal, please leave a comment down below and I will try to do that for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you want to see more planning videos. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!